Good morning, students. Good morning, lawyers. Today, tip 12, general exception. See, the general exception should be divided into two categories. General exception, which is fundamental. General exception subject to onus. These two categories should be there. Number one, judicial acts. Judicial act general exceptions need not be proved. Act itself would say. Judicial acts running from 77 to 78. But mistake of fact, general exception, mistake of fact, you have to prove how by misunderstanding the fact you have committed the act. Then question of accidents. This accident is also you have to prove to bona fide belief, good faith. All these things you have to say that this had happened due to accident. Therefore, you are not. Suppose a person is driving a vehicle, suddenly a child crosses. In order to save the child, if the vehicle put a sudden brake, resulting the behind vehicle sustained damages, so this is nothing but an accident because there was no intention. Then absence of criminal intention is also a general exception subject to Indian Evidence Act. Onus must be your and act of done by consent. So accidents deal with section 80. Judicial Act 77 to 78, absence of criminal intention 81 to 86, 92 to 94, Act done by consent 87, 91, voluntary non-fit injuria. That you have to prove. Trifling Act is either you can may claim as a fundamental general exception if they at the registering investigation itself, they can close it. Trivial in nature, section 95 says no ordinary prudent man complained about this. That is tripling section 95. Then private defense. Private defense definitely you have to prove it. Tripling Act 95, private defense 96 to 106. The private defense you can save your property, you can save your family members, and so many from committing offences against your property, and you can do anything. But that is subject to restriction, reasonable restriction. Exceeding right of private defense, you will have to face the consequences. These things are there. So, it is far better 96 to 106 except Judicial Act. Judicial Act means if judges are directing to hang anybody, that is not offense. So many things Judicial Act is there. Even if it is a wrong person, then that is called king can do no wrong. Then accident means vis major. Something vis major. Vis major means the act of God. When you are going, suddenly heavy dust covered your vehicle or your eyes, and you are doing something which resulting in an incident causing damage to other side. That also all these all are the general exceptions, and from after some time I will take step by step chapter wise mistake of fact like that. Best wishes.